If you're selling Pokemon cards and whatnot, and you're not preparing your cards like this before your stream, you're probably leaving some money on the table without even realizing it. Before every single show, I go through all of my inventory and get everything ready to make sure the stream runs smooth. So as you can see here, I'm going through the binder, checking the cards, all that, seeing if they have any whitening, bad creases, or anything like that to know the condition of course, and then putting them into penny sleeves or re-sleeving them in general if I didn't like the previous sleeve, or maybe I thought it was kind of old. I sometimes use these specific Pokemon card sleeves that some people do like during my streams. It actually brings a little bit more buyers, and I've even had more people bid higher because they like the sleeve, especially these Mew ones, Mewtwo ones, and stuff like that. Now, after all that, I start loading the cards into well, I don't load them into top loaders first. So what I do, of course, is put them in the sleeves that we just said, but I do pre-number my top loaders, and we're going to get to that in just a second, where I show you this is a very smart tactic. A lot of people like using a Sharpie that you can write on the penny sleeve. It's fine, but I like to pre-number with these little stickers, as you can see here, 61, 62, 63, and so forth. And I can go ahead and keep those on my left. That way, when we're done with the sale or something has sold on the stream or live stream for that matter, it is done, good to go, and we can put it straight into the top loader and already be ready to go for the next order. This also kind of speeds everything up on the show. That way I'm not sitting there, like, oh, hang on a second, writing something down with the Sharpie. Even if the Sharpies are fast, I'm gonna be honest, this feels a little bit quicker and help overall with my whole whatnot stream. And of course, we're back to sleeving some more cards over here. I also have these good go bags, pretty much. I think they're called team bags, ready to go. And I have my, of course, card, and I also give a free EX away, kind of like these you can see here, away with every purchase. But that is how I prepare my Pokemon cards, or any card for that matter, for a whatnot stream. Remember to like and subscribe. Make sure you check out the video that I just did on a $300 binder, and let's see if I'm making money on it. See you guys in the next video.